What goes through my mind while I'm drawing depends on what's going on during the day. Some days I have a lot more going on in my mind, and then other days I don't think of anything while I'm drawing because I'm so focused and in the moment of what I'm creating. I just consume my entire thought process with artistic ideas and creation. And then other days when I'm not feeling as creative, I do notice that there's more in my mind and it becomes a lot more difficult to draw. A lot of my artistic style is when I'm drawing, I don't really think a lot. I just create. It's more of a instinctual creation rather than putting things down in exact positions. I'm still trying to discover and understand my own artistic style. And the days when I have a lot going on in my mind, when it's very difficult to draw, I step back a little bit and I relax some to just let ideas come into my mind, and so I can be more creative. Because if you push yourself to the point to where you don't want to create anymore, then you're not going to have that creativity there. You're not going to have that passion to create. So sometimes it is good to just relax a little bit and enjoy where you are in life and what you are creating. This is something I spoke about in my last video, about drawing so much to the point where you just don't want to draw anymore, or you just run out of ideas. And that's when you get into artist block, and that can be something very difficult to overcome. And a great way to overcome that is to just relax, step back from what you're doing, let ideas come to you, and go out and do things. Go explore the world, do things that you enjoy so that you can get more creativity in your life. And the things that you do in life can affect the artwork that you're doing. So sometimes you just have to let creativity happen for itself. Shape yourself into the artist that you want to become, not what others want. Do it for yourself, and do it because it makes you happy. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out links in the description below. Thank you.